I was trying to get your morning swim. You're not down there.
He's cleaning the pool.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Our Airbnb host is making spring rolls for us, so we're gonna go, wait, watch him? Or do it?
He's teaching us how.
Oh.
Alex is giving us a cooking demonstration. Say hello. Zach's copying down the recipe. I love how they run this business with their family. Alex checks in on us every single day. He arranges all of our transportation for us. He checks in to make sure everything is going well. His wife is absolutely adorable. She often takes the orders. She makes sure we're coming to family dinners every night. Zach is already saying Ninh Binh his favorite. We haven't made it halfway through our trip yet, but this is it. This is his favorite. I'm so glad we chose Ninh Binh. You are all down to business, babe.
We're using that one for the clip, not the one I did before.
Trick is we have to dampen the outsides to make them all stick together beautifully at the end.
I cannot think of a better way to end our last night in Ninh Binh. We really appreciate it.
And we love the spring rolls.
Another cloudy day in Ninh Binh, but still quite beautiful outside in terms of temperature. So we're going to try walking to the Mua Cave.
So we're on our way to some local caves, which are supposed to be about a 30-minute walk from our homestay. And it's already starting to rain. But look at this. It's just so cool. It's kind of marshy, but look at the background. So far, it's really cool. Check this out.
Hey, this is gorgeous. This is fantastic. I wish we didn't have to pay $20 to see it, but it is like so awesome. It's so cool.
You know, you can't always predict the weather, so we are definitely getting rained on today.
Well, we got rained out in Ninh Binh.
We are supposed to be walking to the top of the mountain, but they have stone steps and it's raining. So I think it's gonna be really slippery and everyone's soaked already. So it was beautiful walk around, but we're not gonna walk to the top of the mountain. We're gonna chalk this up to a rainy day and enjoy the views on the way back home. Maybe get something to eat.
I'm soaking wet and a stranger's back.
Well, we're taking a taxi back home because it is pouring down rain and we are already drenched. And really because Josie doesn't want to walk in the rain. The rest of us would have been fine.
Debbie, we're playing Uno. Okay, sorry. No. Do you have a blue? Oh, yay. Good luck. Sorry, Dad. You got too much cards. You're not winning. What's to Emily?
Man, you talk an awful lot in the game. Can you just not talk?
Don't give me another skip. I'll kill you.
After 4 days of eating traditional Vietnamese breakfast, lunch, and dinner, we broke down and we had to go to the Mona Lisa Pizza on the corner, which we honestly didn't know was here till today. Otherwise, we would have probably came every single day because the kids need a pizza. Let's just put it like that. The kids need some pizza.
Here's the pizza place.
There you go. Awesome. I just made an amazing discovery.
What?
They have egg coffee. Thank you.
I am not full at all.
You could eat more pizza.
Definitely.
After 5 days of straight Vietnamese food and nothing else, I think they needed a little break.
This is my last activity.
Put a little pizza in their belly and they're happy for days. It's Colin's silly. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Margarita pizza.
A margarita.
Ta-da.
Don't ever interrupt my shot. I'm joking. I'm joking.
No.
Did it go in the water?
Loser!
I don't know why I did that.